Hey new traders, in this video I'm going over support and resistance. Once again, this is part 2, so I already know how it goes from my intro. Hey friends and new traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I teach day traders just like you how to become profitable by teaching different tips and strategies. With that being said, let's get into this one. Alright, so in the last video I touched upon support and resistance. And that was like a very basic, beginner friendly way of doing support and resistance. Now I'm going into my current way of how I trade. It's more of an intermediate advanced way of trading support and resistance. So just like the last video, we start off with the monthly level. Now I will say this. If you haven't watched my other video on the only candlestick pattern you need to know, this is definitely when you want to go watch that video because that is a major gem. So you start off with that. So the up candle, and that black. So this would be a return candle because we have an impulsive move after the up candle. This is the last up candle for the impulsive move. We also have one right here, but price is currently right there, so I'm not gonna place it there. Previous high, and you got also previous low. Another key level I look for is the forever paid gap, but we don't have it on the monthly level, so I will leave it like this for the monthly key levels. Now for weekly, we could break it down even further. We got a weekly return candle. We also got a weekly previous low. And for the high, we also got this high, but I'm gonna mark it off because that'll be, you want to keep your chart as clean as possible. So weekly level, so we got this weekly right here. I'm gonna change it to green. For you could also like write it down like what it is. So weekly resistance type of thing. You can see it's right here. For me, I'm not gonna do it. So we got weekly resistance. We also got this weekly forever pay gap where there is a gap right here, and the market will want to seek liquidity at some point right here to fill in that gap. I'm gonna change that to green as well. All right, so we got those two levels and got this weekly low. I'm gonna change that to green so you know it's weekly. So we got the monthly, weekly. Now let's go down. Let's go up to, let's go down. Sorry, let's go down further to the daily level. For the daily, got this daily low right here. We're not going to mark it off because we already got the monthly right here. We don't want it to be too cluttered. We do have this daily return candle which the market is currently at. I'm going to change the color to blue for my dailies. So we're right here at the daily level right now. And we could expect price, if it does hold, because there is still an hour and 35 minutes, if it does hold for the day, then you can expect price to go up to right here. And I stated in the previous video that in support and resistance part 1 that there is a negative 27. So, and the negative 27, wow, lines up perfectly with the monthly level, and also this, the negative 61 lines up perfectly with that forever paid gap. So we can expect price to probably head to that level. If not, it's definitely gonna take out this previous daily low, which we could mark off. So just like that, you have my support and resistance level. And like I said previously, all you want to do for trading, you could break trading down so simple. You just want to look for these key levels on your charts, mark them off, and then you want to look for confluences, reasons why we could possibly see an up move. So if you haven't checked out my confluences video, check that out. But you can see we previously had like a trend line, and then we got one touch, two touch. This is the third touch. There's still an hour 35 left on it, so we could possibly see it pull back for the third touch. So that's confluence. That's a confluence within itself. And then we have the Fibonacci negatives, the 61 Fibonacci level, which is another confluence. And then we also have the confluence of these levels up here as targets. And we also have the confluence of this daily level right here where it's currently at. So as long as price doesn't close below this level, or about, yeah, as long as price doesn't close below this key level right here that I have, then I do expect price to move. So I hope you enjoyed the rest of your day. That was how I trade support and resistance. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you guys are killing the charts, studying nonstop, taking it to the next level. And yeah, peace.